Hi everyone. So in the previous video we have executed this program. Okay, so now in this video we are going to print another pattern like this. In the first row we have 1 star, in the second row we have 2 star, in the third row we have 3 star, in the fourth row we have 4 star. Means it is predefined. Okay, here you can see the code as we have predefined the number of rows and the number of symbols. So it's up to you, up to us how many number of rows we want to print. So that thing we can mention. Okay, but we are considering only 4. Okay, so this pattern we are going to print. Okay, again same principle will be followed. Like we need 2 for loops. One is to count the number of rows and another is to count the number of symbols we are going to print. In this case uh, again we have 4 rows, right? But now for the first row we are printing only 1 star. Okay, for the second row we are printing 2 stars, for the third row we are printing the 3 stars, and for the last or the fourth row we are printing the 4 stars, right? Means the number of symbol is equal to the number of or the sequence of row, right? First row 1 star, second row 2 star, third row 3 star, so like that. So basically we can use this code as well. We just need to change only one thing, and this code that is printing a square type pattern, it will change to this. Okay, so as we are going to print 4 rows, so the I for loop is correct, but as the J for loop, right, the for loop in which we are using J as a variable, so in this, as we are going to print the number of symbol is equal to the number of rows, so apart from using 4, if we use I, that's it. Now control S and run as application. You just see we got the output. Just one change and it will be done. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.